Imagine a world where your search engine doesn't just find information, it understands you. A world where robots don't just compute, they think with living brain cells. Sounds impossible? Well, buckle up because that world is here and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about technology. Today, we're diving deep into two groundbreaking technologies that are set to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and information. Get ready to have your minds blown. Let's kick things off with Search GPT. Now, I know what you're thinking. We already have search engines. What's the big deal? Well, my friends, Search GPT is not your average search engine. It's like having a genius research assistant right at your fingertips. Imagine you're planning a trip to Boone, North Carolina, and you want to know about music festivals happening there in August 2024. With a regular search engine, you'd have to sift through results pages, open multiple tabs, and piece together information. But with Search GPT, you simply ask the question, and voila! You get a neatly organized summary of all the festivals, complete with dates, descriptions, and even links to buy tickets. It's like magic, but it's real. But here's where it gets even cooler. Search GPT doesn't just provide information, it understands context and nuance. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who just happens to know everything about everything. Now, I know some of you might be concerned about the impact this could have on websites and content creators. After all, if Search GPT is summarizing everything, why would anyone visit the original sites? Well, OpenAI has thought of that too. They're partnering directly with major publishers like the Wall Street Journal and The Atlantic to ensure fair treatment of content. Every piece of information comes with clear attribution and links to the original sources. It's a win-win situation. Users get quick, accurate information, and publishers still get their well-deserved traffic and recognition. But wait, there's more. OpenAI isn't stopping at just search. They're planning to integrate these advanced search capabilities directly into ChatGPT. Imagine asking ChatGPT to help you with a research paper, and it not only provides information, but also cites sources and gives you direct links to further reading. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering, when can I get my hands on this amazing technology? Well, Search GPT is currently in its testing phase, with about 10,000 lucky users trying it out. OpenAI is using this time to fine-tune the system, iron out any kinks, and make sure it's ready for prime time. They're even exploring features for local information and e-commerce. It's not just a search engine, it's like having a local expert in your pocket. The implications of this technology are huge. Google, which has dominated the search market for years, is already feeling the heat. After the announcement of Search GPT, Alphabet's shares dropped by 3.6% in after-hours trading. We could be witnessing the beginning of a major shift in how we access and interact with information online. Prepare to have your minds blown even further, because we're about to enter the realm of robots with partially biological brains. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists in China have developed an AI robot that uses actual living brain cells. This isn't just a step forward in robotics. It's a giant leap into a future where the line between artificial and biological intelligence starts to blur. Let's break this down, because it's pretty wild stuff. These scientists have created what they're calling a brain on a chip. Now, this isn't just a clever name, it's a literal description of what they've done. They've taken living brain cells and integrated them into a machine, creating a new type of robot that has a blend of artificial and biological intelligence. Here's how they did it. First, they started with stem cells. These are incredible cells that have the potential to become almost any type of cell in the human body. The scientists then guided these stem cells to become brain cells, just like the ones firing away in your head right now as you're watching this video. But they didn't stop there. They grew these brain cells into a network, mimicking the complex neural pathways found in our brains. Once these cell networks were mature, they carefully placed them onto a microchip, creating a hybrid system that combines biological components with traditional electronic circuits. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but why is this such a big deal? Well, let me tell you, this changes everything we thought we knew about AI and robotics. Most AI systems today work based on pre-programmed algorithms and data sets. They can perform tasks, but they're limited by their programming. This new type of robot, however, can learn and adapt in ways that are much closer to how living organisms, including humans, learn. It's not just processing data, it's capable of changing and evolving based on its experiences, much like a living brain. Imagine a robot that doesn't just follow commands, but actually learns from its environment. A robot that can problem solve in novel ways, adapt to unexpected situations, and maybe even feel, okay, we're not quite there yet, but this technology opens up possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. But the implications go far beyond just creating smarter robots. This technology could revolutionize our understanding of the human brain itself. By observing these lab-grown neural networks, scientists could uncover new insights into how our brains work. Some of you might be worried about the possibility of a robot uprising or other dystopian scenarios. While these concerns are understandable, it's important to remember that we're still in the early stages of this technology. The current focus is on research and development, with practical applications still years away. However, it's crucial that we start having these discussions now to ensure that as this technology develops, it does so in a way that benefits humanity. When we look at Search GPT and these brain-chip robots together, we can see a bigger picture emerging. We're entering an era where the boundaries between artificial and biological intelligence are becoming increasingly blurred. We're moving towards a future where AI and biotechnology are deeply intertwined, opening up possibilities we can barely begin to imagine. As we wrap up this mind-bending journey into the future of AI and robotics, let's take a moment to reflect on just how far we've come. From a search engine that understands and organizes information for us like a human assistant, to robots with living brain cells that can learn and adapt like biological entities, we're witnessing the birth of technologies that could reshape our world in profound ways. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. If this video blew your mind, and I hope it did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending updates on the latest in AI and technology. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.